Hi everyone and welcome to the Cricut Minute. Today we will learn how to install a font in the Cricut Design Space. You can download paid or free font from different websites such as Design Bundle, DaFont, and today I'm using Creative Fabrica. Here I'm selecting Anastasia font that is very cute, free, and comes with a commercial license. Once downloaded, go to your download folder, right-click on the zip file and extract all. A new window will pop up with an Open Type Font File or OTF name as the font. Sometimes you might have a second file being TrueType Font File or TTF. If you have both available, just install the OTF as they are more advanced and support more international characters than the TTF fonts. If you install both, you might have some issues in the future when using the font. Now it's time to test our new font. Open the Cricut Design Space. If it was already open in the background when you installed the font, then close it and restart it. Then you can create a new project and add a text. Top left, we click on the font, then we go on System and look for our new font named Anastasia. We can also bookmark it to keep it in our favorite. And there you go, you're all set. Thanks for watching, I hope it helps you. Like and subscribe for more. Have a great day and see you next time.